Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Instagram Notes on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official Instagram website or install the Instagram application on your system. After that, log into your Instagram account using your username and password. Once your account is open, press the F12 key on your keyboard or right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Now look for the device toggle icon located next to the Elements option and click on it. This will switch Instagram into mobile view. After switching, reload the Instagram page once. When the page reloads, go to the Messages section. At the top of the Messages screen, you will now see the Instagram Notes feature just like on a mobile phone. You can view and use notes directly from your PC using this method. So that's basically how you can get Instagram Notes on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.